Welcome to our deep dive into EUV lithography, the groundbreaking technology that is revolutionizing the semiconductor industry. EUV, or extreme ultraviolet lithography, is at the heart of manufacturing the most advanced chips found in smartphones, computers, and countless other devices. As demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient chips grows, EUV lithography has become essential. In this video, we'll explore how EUV works, why it's so important, and the impact it has on modern electronics. Let's begin by understanding what makes EUV lithography so unique compared to previous chip-making methods. Lithography is a process used in semiconductor manufacturing to transfer patterns onto silicon wafers. Traditionally, this involves shining light through a mask to etch tiny circuits. As chips become more complex, the need for finer patterns grows. EUV lithography uses a much shorter wavelength of light, allowing for unprecedented precision. This enables manufacturers to create smaller and more densely packed circuits, which are crucial for modern electronics. Understanding lithography is key to appreciating the advancements brought by EUV technology. Over the years, lithography techniques have evolved to keep pace with the demands of the electronics industry. Early methods used visible light, but as chip features shrank, manufacturers switched to deep ultraviolet DUV lithography. However, DUV reached its limits, prompting the development of EUV lithography. EUV uses light with a wavelength of just 13.5 nanometers, compared to DUV's 193 nanometers. This leap in technology allows for the creation of much smaller features, paving the way for advanced chips. EUV lithography is critical because it enables the production of chips with features smaller than ever before. This means more transistors can fit onto a single chip, boosting performance and efficiency. As devices become smarter and more powerful, EUV technology ensures that chips can keep up with these demands. Without EUV, the progress of electronics would slow dramatically, affecting everything from smartphones to data centers. The importance of EUV cannot be overstated in today's digital world. EUV lithography uses a special light source that emits extreme ultraviolet light. This light is focused onto a mask, which contains the circuit patterns. The mask then projects these patterns onto a silicon wafer coated with a light-sensitive material called photoresist. The short wavelength of EUV light allows for incredibly fine details to be etched onto the wafer. This process is repeated multiple times to build up the complex layers that make up modern chips. Precision of EUV is unmatched by previous technologies. EUV light source is one of the most complex parts of the lithography process. It involves generating plasma by firing lasers at tiny droplets of tin. The resulting plasma emits EUV light, which is then collected and directed towards the mask. This process requires precise control and advanced engineering to ensure consistent and powerful EUV light. The development of reliable EUV light sources was a major breakthrough that enabled the technology to become commercially viable. UV masks are made with special materials to withstand the intense EUV light. These masks contain the intricate patterns that will be transferred onto the wafer. The photoresist used in EUV lithography is also specially formulated to react to the short wavelength of EUV light. Together, the mask and photoresist enable the creation of extremely fine features on the chip. This combination is essential for achieving the high resolution required by advanced semiconductor devices. Despite its advantages, EUV lithography presents several challenges. The technology requires extremely clean environments, as even the smallest particles can disrupt the process. The equipment is expensive and complex, demanding precise calibration and maintenance. Additionally, developing suitable materials for masks and photoresists is an ongoing challenge. Overcoming these hurdles is crucial for the continued advancement of chip manufacturing and the electronics industry as a whole. Today, EUV lithography is used by leading semiconductor manufacturers to produce the most advanced chips. Companies like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel rely on EUV to create processors for smartphones, computers, and servers. The adoption of EUV has enabled these companies to push the boundaries of chip performance and efficiency. As the technology matures, it is expected to become even more widespread in the industry. EUV lithography has a direct impact on the devices we use every day. Smartphones, tablets, and laptops benefit from faster processors and longer battery life thanks to EUV-enabled chips. The technology also allows for new features and capabilities, such as improved AI processing and enhanced graphics. As EUV becomes more common, consumers can expect their devices to become even more powerful and efficient. Artificial intelligence relies on powerful chips to process vast amounts of data. EUV lithography enables the creation of chips with more transistors, which is essential for AI applications. This allows for faster and more efficient machine learning, powering everything from voice assistants to autonomous vehicles. The synergy between EUV technology and AI is driving innovation across multiple industries. Data centers are the backbone of the internet, handling massive amounts of information every second. EUV lithography enables the production of high-performance chips that power these data centers. With more efficient chips, data centers can process information faster and use less energy. This is crucial for supporting cloud computing, streaming services, and online platforms that millions rely on daily. Internet of Things, IoT, connects everyday objects to the internet, enabling smart homes, cities, and industries. EUV lithography allows for the creation of tiny, efficient chips that power IoT devices. These chips are essential for sensors, controllers, and communication modules. As IoT expands, EUV technology will play a key role in making connected devices more capable and reliable. Modern vehicles rely on advanced chips for everything from engine control to entertainment systems. EUV lithography enables the production of automotive chips with higher performance and reliability. These chips support features like autonomous driving, advanced safety systems, and real-time navigation. As cars become smarter, EUV technology will be essential for future automotive innovations. Healthcare devices, such as medical imaging equipment and wearable monitors, depend on advanced chips for accurate and efficient operation. EUV lithography enables the creation of chips with high precision and low power consumption. This leads to better diagnostics, improved patient monitoring, and more portable medical devices. EUV technology is helping to transform healthcare by making devices smarter and more accessible. UV lithography contributes to environmental sustainability by enabling the production of energy-efficient chips. These chips consume less power, reducing the carbon footprint of electronic devices. Additionally, EUV technology supports the development of smart sensors and controllers for renewable energy systems. By making electronics more efficient, EUV helps address global environmental challenges. Countries around the world are competing to lead in EUV lithography. The technology is seen as a strategic asset, vital for economic growth and technological leadership. Governments and companies invest heavily in research and development to stay ahead. The global race for EUV is shaping the future of the semiconductor industry and influencing international relations. Several companies are at the forefront of EUV lithography development. ASML, a Dutch company, is the leading supplier of EUV machines. Semiconductor giants like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel are major adopters of EUV technology. These companies collaborate with research institutions to advance EUV capabilities and overcome technical challenges. Their efforts are driving the industry forward. EUV lithography machines are among the most complex devices ever built. Each machine contains thousands of precision components, including mirrors, lasers, and vacuum chambers. The assembly and maintenance of these machines require specialized skills and facilities. Their complexity reflects the advanced engineering needed to produce cutting-edge chips. Cost of EUV lithography is significant, with machines costing hundreds of millions of dollars. The investment is justified by the performance gains and competitive advantage EUV provides. Manufacturers must balance the high upfront costs with the long-term benefits of producing advanced chips. As the technology matures, costs are expected to decrease, making EUV more accessible. EUV lithography is enabling new chip designs that were previously impossible. Designers can create more complex and efficient architectures, supporting innovations in computing, communication, and storage. As EUV technology evolves, it will unlock even greater possibilities for chip design, shaping the future of electronics. Quantum computing represents the next frontier in technology, requiring chips with extreme precision. EUV lithography is expected to play a role in manufacturing quantum processors, enabling the creation of qubits and other quantum elements. The synergy between EUV and quantum computing could revolutionize fields like cryptography, simulation, and artificial intelligence. 5G networks require advanced chips to handle high-speed data transmission and connectivity. EUV lithography enables the production of chips that meet the demanding requirements of 5G infrastructure. This supports faster internet speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. EUV technology is helping to build the foundation for the next generation of communication networks. Security chips are essential for protecting data and ensuring privacy in electronic devices. EUV lithography enables the creation of secure chips with advanced encryption and authentication features. These chips are used in smartphones, payment systems, and government applications. EUV technology is strengthening digital security across multiple sectors. Wearable devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, rely on small, efficient chips. EUV lithography enables the production of chips that fit into compact devices while delivering high performance. This supports features like health monitoring, GPS tracking, and wireless communication. EUV technology is making wearables more powerful and versatile. Smart home devices, including thermostats, cameras, and voice assistants, depend on advanced chips for seamless operation. EUV lithography enables the creation of chips that support connectivity, automation, and energy efficiency. As smart homes become more common, EUV technology will be central to their continued evolution. Industrial automation relies on chips to control machinery, monitor processes, and optimize production. EUV lithography enables the creation of robust and efficient chips for industrial applications. These chips support real-time data processing, predictive maintenance, and advanced robotics. EUV technology is driving the transformation of manufacturing and industry. Space exploration requires chips that can withstand extreme conditions and deliver high performance. EUV lithography enables the production of chips used in satellites, spacecraft, and scientific instruments. These chips support communication, navigation, and data analysis in space missions. EUV technology is helping humanity reach new frontiers. Future of EUV lithography is bright, with ongoing research aimed at improving performance, reducing costs, and expanding applications. As chip features continue to shrink, EUV will remain essential for semiconductor manufacturing. Innovations in materials, machine design, and process control will further enhance EUV capabilities. The technology is poised to shape the next generation of electronics. EUV lithography has transformed the semiconductor industry, enabling the creation of advanced chips that power modern devices. Its impact is felt across consumer electronics, healthcare, automotive, and beyond. As the technology continues to evolve, EUV will remain a cornerstone of innovation, driving progress in countless fields. The journey of EUV lithography is far from over, and its influence will shape the future of technology for years to come.